Polk Audio is one of our favorite amplifier manufacturers because they always hit their specs. Actually, they regularly exceed them. And their PA880 high-performance Class AB monoblock amplifier left us all at QMV wanting our own. Polk rates this amplifier with CEA 2006 compliant specifications for true, accurate power ratings, with 300 watts RMS at 4 ohms and 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms. But this amplifier is not 1 ohm stable, so configurations like 2 dual voice coil 4 ohm woofers wired in parallel won't work. Wired in series for 4 ohms, yes. 2 dual voice coil 2 ohm woofers, now that's a parallel series wiring match made in heaven at 2 ohms. Something else Polk amplifiers have going for them is their look, which is clean and modern. Although the exterior gathers dust and finger smudges like a magnet, I love the simple design. The double layer fiberglass epoxy printed circuit boards offer more rigidity, less shrinkage, and a smaller amp footprint. High-speed Mosfet switching power supply and high current bipolar output transistors, sounds like my girlfriend, pump maximum voltage and high current to your speakers or subwoofers. Terminals use standard number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. No more hex wrenches required. The power and ground terminals accept power wire up to 4 gauge. Use the RCA outputs for easy daisy chaining of other amplifiers. The RCA inputs accept line level inputs from a source unit, preamplifier, or equalizer. Use the remote base control to make adjustments up front. The adjustments include input gain control, variable low pass and full pass crossovers, and a bass boost, as well as phase switch. To protect your gear, the PA880 offers 6-way smart system protection circuits. Dimensions of the amplifier are 8 1/8 inches in width, 13 1/4 inches in length, and 2 inches in height. The amplifier comes with a speaker level input harness, remote bass control, and installation hardware. Again, we recommend using 4 gauge power and ground wires and 12 gauge for speaker connections. Check out all of our amplifier installation kits for your system, link in the bio. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.